Welcome back to Buzzin' Spots in Japan.
ここのエリアっていうのは出来上がったお酒を熱処理してそして貯蔵してる場所なのでちょうど今こう7023リッターと書いてありますけどこの中でおおよそこれ全部フルでは入ってないですね。グレービーソースにその濁り酒をちょっと混ぜてみるとかあるいはちょっとこうクリーミーなシチューというかこうスプーンで飲むまあスープもいいんですけど乾杯
乾杯。今日はありがとうございます。いただきます。
ありがとうございます。
めっちゃうまいこれ。
マジですか。
何これ。
よかった。Yes.
Cloudy Shirakawa-go sake.
Most famous nigori
bestseller, right?
in the United States. Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, it's definitely
Every day so festival.
Yeah, of course.
Wow, wow, wow. Then,
So this is sesame dressing,
sesame dressing.
and we're going to put nigori inside of
ここ
it.
に濁り酒を入れてしまいます。だからこれがこれですね。これがこれですね。明宝ハム。
This is Gifu's special ham. It's amazing. You can fry it. You can eat it just like that. You can grill it. I love it. This is really good. Meiho ham.
でそこに
Sponsor us, please.
そこにセサムドレッシング and
濁り。
濁り酒 I think half and half is good. So たっぷり入れました。たっぷり入れました。
So half and half. Wow. Cool.
ミックスしてだからこれはねこれでサラダをもし食べたらもう運転して家には帰れないですね。はい。そうどうぞ。
Thank you so much.
どうぞたっぷりかけます。どうぞ。
I actually love sesame dressing.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's
Right,
good.
guys.
Yeah.
So-
it's good.
Even though we're here for the sake, right? We're here for the nigori.
Yeah.
I asked him before, like, what kind of a food, would you pair this with? Interestingly, he said, anything will go well with it. But meat goes really well. Nice steak, some ham, and, on a weird note, sesame dressing on a salad with nigori sake. That's odd. I haven't seen this before, right? You don't really add, alcohol to a dressing.
Yes.
So I'm really looking forward to this.
Okay. いただきます。いただきます。
うまい。
うまい？
うまい。
うまいですか？
It's really good. It's really good, guys. It's really good. I don't know how to describe it. I'm just surprised. How can like alcohol and sesame dressing go well together? I'm surprised. What the hell?
クリーミードレッシングプラスクリーミーアルコール
That makes sense.
合わないはずがないかな。
Yeah.
でそこに濁り酒にもともと合う明宝ハム肉々しさとこのクリーミーなドレッシングとで飲むのもどぶろくまあ同じような作りなので基本的に米も一緒ですからテイストは特に差がないのでまあものは違いますけどだからこれを飲んでもこれを飲んでもこれ食べてだから食べながら飲んでるけどでも飲んでるみたいなとっても不思議な組み合わせですけど、これはもう合わないはずがないんで、
もう長年のあれですよね研究。
そんなことはないですけど、
本当ですか。
はい、コロナの中で何か面白いことをしようかなって考えたときにこれ実はこれ混ぜると。
Wow, that's interesting. So he thought of this special dressing, drunk dressing. Let's call it drunk dressing.
Drunk dressing. Yes.
Drunk dressing during the pandemic.
Yeah, pandemic. Yes.
Yeah. Wow. It's perfect. I love this. I love it. Maybe you should do your own dressing.
But quite hard to sell because with alcohol means you need
Permit.
some license to sell because it's alcohol. So with alcohol, wow, it's quite difficult. And
it's quite difficult, but it would definitely sell.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Wow.
Mix. So
What would you say is your favorite thing to pair it with?
もちろんこれ大好きです。でもね、これも好きですね。これはお漬物です。赤かぶ。
Japanese pickles.
そうです。赤かぶですね。
Radish. Japanese radish.
これいいですよ。これと濁り酒。
Really? So just like
シンプルです。ただ食べて飲む。
Alright.
これはかけるとかなしです。
Alright, so just put it in, and then have a little bit of it.
Yes.
That works, yeah.
Yeah,
that works. That was pretty well. The sourness from the pickles and the sweetness from the nigori, they just go very well. Like, wow, it makes for like a very nice palate cleansing. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
ホーバ
味噌。
これがね、ホーバって葉、leaf。
The leaf, right? Yeah.
で、それのその種類としてホーバっていう葉っぱなんですけど、これを濡らして焦げないようにして、これをいわゆるだからアルミホイルみたいなもんです。だからこれを敷いて下から炭火で。でだからそんなから燃えないんですね。ちょっと濡らすんですけど、燃えなくて、その上で味噌をこうふつふつ焼くというかね。
Use a special kind of leaf, hoba leaf.
Yes, hoba leaf. Yes.
To kind of like a sumibiyaki is like is it charcoal? Charcoal, right?
Charcoal. Yeah.
Charcoal.
Yeah,
Well, that sounds very interesting.
Yes.
So you get all the fumes from the charcoal, and the miso gets this really nice sort of a kunsei, right? Like smoky kind of thing.
Not
that much.
Not. Kunsei is something different. Yeah, it's just for how can I say? Not flies. 炒める。
Okay.
So 炒めるフライパンじゃなくて、ホーバリー。
Hoba leaf. Oh, okay. I see. But look at this, guys. Like the miso itself, it's very dark in color, right?
Yeah.
It's super dark. Yeah.
Not only dark one, but also another. So
different taste.
Brown miso. So it depends. But
Really?
Anyway,
All right.
In this case, so really dark.
It looks amazing though.
Yeah. So,
ど
どうぞ.
Thank you. I'll have a little bit of everything, okay? So I think this is shiitake, right?
Yes.
A little bit of shiitake.
Yes.
A little bit of negi.
Negi, yes.
Which is spring onion, green onion. A little bit of
enoki is
enoki. It's a special Japanese
mushroom,
right?
Not mushroom. Yeah.
It's a mushroom, right?
Yeah,
it's a mushroom, right?
yeah.
But we only have this one in Japan.
Yeah.
I love enoki, by the way. And this is, what kind of meat is this?
豚肉ですね。In this case, not Hida beef, but pork.
It's pork. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this tastes. So, I'm going to go with the negi first, which is probably the mildest one. Here you go. So I'm going to take a bite, and then I'm going to take a little bit of nigori.
Yeah. And then the taste.
That's so good.
Some sweetness, no?
Yeah, it's kind of sweet.
Sweet and sweet, but must be good.
合いますね。
合いますか?
Yes. That's really good.
Yeah,
that is really good.
Okay.
Wow. I hate you. I'm not gonna be able to get home.
Wow.
This is so good.
Yeah.
Oh my god. All right, let's go for the
Always
enoki.
I'm afraid. I'm not sure if this is good for you or not.
Oh no, I'm
Always.
loving it, dude. I'm
Yeah,
having a
okay.
lot of fun. Thank you for having me
That's
today.
great. Thank you.
It's very mild, and the miso just like really sinks into the enoki. But yeah, it gets you to this state where you're very happy. You're very chilled out. Like Oh my god, I'm having so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, let's go to the, let's say, aji koi mono, which is pretty much like, they have a lot of like umami packed into them.
Yeah.
So, shiitake, right? Umami bomb, right?
Ah.
Shiitake.
嬉しそうだな。
That's so good. Umma.
Oh,
That's so good. Why? Why?
嬉しいですね。
It's so good. Oh my god, I'm having so much fun. It's not just because of the liquor. You know, your wife is amazing at cooking.
Yes.
She cooked everything.
Yes.
She's amazing.
Yes.
Thank you so
Yes.
much for having us today at your home. Thank you so much.
もうグレートっていうことですね。
Alright, let's go for the last one. The pork with koba?
ホーバー。
miso, right?
Right, hoba
Pork with
miso.
hoba miso.
I think it's better if you cook this hoba miso yaki, then you should use, for example, Hida beef, because Hida beef is very famous. So if you come to Gifu, you should eat.
Hida beef, right?
Yeah, but Hida
That's
beef is
amazing.
so expensive.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
For those of you who don't know, we have Wagyu in Japan, right? We also have Wagyu all around the world.
Yeah.
But there's different type of Wagyu. Here in Gifu, we have a special type of Wagyu called Hida beef, right? There's Kobe beef, there's
Matsuzaka beef.
There's a lot of kind of things, and every beef is different. But Hida beef is really famous for being very sweet, right? They're very sweet because they are in the Hida mountains where it's very, very cold, so they get a lot of fat. And the meat itself, it's very, very sweet. So when you pair it with this sort of sweet, very special miso, it's just a umami bomb. Like it's amazing.
Perfect explanation. Perfect.
Thank you so much. Wow, that was really good.
Perfecto. Bravo.
All right, guys, that's it for today's Buzz and Spud in Japan. Thank you so much, Mr. Miwa, for having us in your lovely home, having your wife cook for us. It was just an amazing experience. I love this. I love this, and I love this. I really want to take all of these home. Thank you so much.
Great. So great. Thank you so much. It's our pleasure. And normally people don't like nigori with the broken, so I'm so afraid, but you just told me. Great sake?
Great.
You like?
I love it.
Wow. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for today, and so we are so enjoying this night, this sake, this dinner. So
That's great.
I
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. ありがとうございました。
今日はありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
Thank you so much. This was
Thank
the
you.
best night ever.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.